Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ps4 Pro down completely. Press the power button until it shuts off, then wait about 30 seconds so internal power drains. Once done, unplug the power, HDMI, and controllers, and move to a clear, static-free workspace. Make sure you wear an anti-static strap or touch a grounded metal surface to avoid damage. You'll need a T8/T9 screwdriver and a small parts tray. Keep those ready so you can remove the outer cover and access the drive bay immediately. You slide the glossy front plastic cover gently towards the rear of the console to reveal the HDD bay. Next, remove the single screw that holds the drive carrier in and pull the metal carrier straight out, steady pressure, don't force. Once the tray is out, locate the 4 small mounting screws that attach the two. 5. Drive and unscrew them. These are usually small Phillips or Torx. Carefully lift the SSD from the carrier, keeping track of the screws and orientation so you can reinstall or replace the drive correctly. You complete the job by placing the empty carrier back into its slot, securing the single screw, and sliding the front cover back on. Reconnect power and HDMI, then power the console on to confirm normal boot. If the PS4 shows drive errors, shut down, reseat the SSD, and verify all screws are snug and the SATA connection is straight. A tilted connector causes issues. If the drive is still unrecognized, boot to safe mode to rebuild the database or reinstall system software as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.